Welcome back. Welcome back. So, a few days ago, COS made a post, and that post has to do with some people from the north, the Hausas Christians, looking for help, seeking for comfort, understanding what Nigerian is all about, how accommodative Nigerian system is to other religion that are not Muslim. They have been through hot and cold weather. They know the persecution against Christians in the north, what it means. They come together and started, they kind of requesting for assistance from United States of Biafra. It did not set down well with some people, fall back and forth deep republic. They started twisting the whole thing, which I predicted before everybody. And I want you to comment and let me know if you noticed. Just confirm what I just said. Because I made it in one of my videos, my first reaction to this particular news. Let me bring it up properly. You remember we talked about this post here, and I made it clear to us that these people will wake up and start talking something else, telling you that Ngozi and her people, because I knew that it will result to that. And behold, fallback Republic, they did not disappoint. They did not disappoint at all. So they've actually decided to go through that. They have made not one, not two. Many of them have come out and make posts. Some as saying in their video, discussing it negatively. Of course, there's no way you can talk about it without mentioning why Isocha Lazuba, this rich woman, have using that all the money you're contributing is not going to Chicago. Evil woman is an evil person is an evil person. It doesn't matter whether a man or woman, but permit me when I said evil woman, because she's a woman and she is the one we're addressing, upon this point in time. So I'm going to take you through the post so that you yourself can see it. Take, for example, this one. Although before then, please like the video. Yes, like the video. Very, very important that you do so. That's the best way to start. Make sure you click on the like button. It is not a repetition of what we have discussed already, but to bring to you that my prediction is real. And we have I have some other thing to add on the video, because on the course of attacking CS because of this post, some of them started talking as if Northerners have not sent a kind of support to Biafrans in the past. When Martin Lukano was conducting question and answer segment, Northerners do call him some youth from the north. I have witnessed it. Okay, some Yoruba do call. I have witnessed it. Even this time of PM, Northerners have made video for PM in the past. Christians in the north rely on the Christians in the east for their safety. But unfortunately, Christians and even they are messianic. Look at Bishop Kuka. He's a northerner. What is Bishop Kuka is doing to safeguard his own people? Nothing but playing politics in everything, speaking big grammar. Anyway, let me bring it to you because I don't want it to be too long, to be honest with you. For the fact that we have talked about it before, just that I want to share this with you. Like this one called Good News. Ha 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 ha. Laughing. You can see it, mocking his papa. Without picking the information itself. That's the annoying part, because the video is in the public and you can hear what they said. You can understand it, but somehow they need to link it in a negative way to COS. Clear conscience fears no accusation, right? Because no matter what they say, why mad na daughter away? Because she understands that you guys are crazy and You guys are nothing to write home about. So they are mocking themselves, thinking that they're mocking USB or anybody. Like I told you, but before then, let me show you this, because not only this one person, some of them are trying to mock. I don't know what they're trying to gain, by that, but it's best known to them. So let me locate. Where is it? Where is this? Okay, now this is the first one. Yeah, no, not this one, not this one. Okay, let me go to my home and bring it up. All right, here is this one. As you can see here, these are people mocking themselves, thinking that they're mocking USB government or anybody. But out of their own ignorance, they actually believe that they are doing the right thing, because they don't care to understand the message that that post or that screenshot or video content. Because had it been that they remove sentiment, listen to what the northerner said, then you can now correct it. But they are so desperate, looking for a way to antagonize, just kind of cause, let them curse on their mama in the name of talking to us, just antagonize her. But you can't succeed, because Biafrans and everybody that are living non-Biafrans are keeping notes of the activities and everything. Just like somebody, came to my live program yesterday and said that COS is looking for, calling for Igbo troops and all that. When I asked him, give me the evidence, until now, the guy, that our brother, have not even chatted me up or anything. But I'm still waiting. Maybe it's too, let me not just bring it, but hopefully that he's not going to slap back about it, because I know he's going to watch the video. We need to start getting this right. Now, listen. This one says, wonder shall never end. Sabon Tike. Okay? Because it involves northerners, it becomes Sabon Intike. But listen, it's not that, things are not like that. Look at this one. Dr. Rich said what? Post the same thing and say, laughing. Is this not Harimatua or Labufulani of USB Nigerian being celebrated by northern Fulanis? They are not Fulani, listen, but they have to put it there to cement things. Then I have shown you this one, right? Now, to make it short, I want you to pay close attention to this video. Not this one. Now, this video, okay? This is a northerner. The message another girl or Hausa girl sent to PM. Listen.
I am Khadija Musamachigo by name. My special greetings goes to honorable leader of NCWS and the mentor of my father in leadership. As younger generation and leaders of tomorrow, our support, greetings, gratitude will not be complete without mentioning the heroes of liberty, freedom of choice, Prime Minister Simon Ekpa and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Long live Dr. Ngozi, long live your coronation. Happy Salah in advance.
Okay, this one is not maybe a Muslim, right? But from North. Now, look at the post is here. No, go back so that the date will appear. I don't want you to quote anybody wrong. Now, here is what? Simon Ekpa's tweet, June 21, 2023, not even 2024, 2023. Briggy Biafran government, Biafran Briggy are up to date. Okay, updates. Now, Briggy Biafran Briggy update. Now, read it yourself. You can see it here. The Hausa nation are grooming their kids with the truth, with the true history. They are following the Biafran liberation, and they understand that the liberation of Biafra is also the liberation of the oppressed Hausa people in Nigeria, in Niger area. Biafra will restore peace and here. Biafra will restore peace and hope. Message from Khadija. Now, maybe that's the name of this young girl. This message is what why social out of her own stupidity and idiocy, spreading falsehood now that US is promising northerners of citizenship of Biafra or whatever. Are you getting the point? Because all this nonsense they are cooking is a repetition of history. They have been doing this in a different way. Old wine in a new pot. Look at what PM. This is response to PM. No, post the PM mail. Let me go back so that because you know when you expand it, the date will disappear. Now let's bring it back. Let me bring it back this way. Look at it. PM post June 21st, 2023. Briggy updates. The Hausa nation are grooming their kids with the true history. Almost the same thing. Okay, you know what? After reading this, let us, since we have gone through this one, let's say I read it out. Let us go back to CUS post that was attached to the video that this never do where people are spreading. Look at that, they're laughing at their papa. You know, they shame me. Like me, let's assume that I'm not supporting USB. Let's assume that I am God forbid that I am from fallback. After okay, let us just hear this message, please.
Which attack mainly a part of
start from the beginning. Watch.
Which attack mainly a part of government area, or Zamfara states, or Katsina states, particularly northwest part of the country. So conflict resolution mechanism, establish effective conflict resolution mechanisms to address disputes and promote peace. Number three, human rights education. Now we are going to see the
these are
of human rights.
They are talking about human rights education, something that everybody want to hear. Nothing like anything. And these people, why is such even wait as far as talking about that Nangoza say if they are not playing Biafran national anthem, it become an issue. I don't know how you want US in America to stop anybody that choose to play Biafran national anthem somewhere in their own location. So it is not her fault. The backbone for again.
Already you know the fundamental human rights. The knowledge for human rights or education of human rights, educating community about their own human rights and promoting a culture of respect and dignity. Number 4, or the last one.
Are you getting it? If they're actually sensible enough, they should have understand that it is even an honor for people to see you as, the true, the kind of role model. People see you as, beacon of peace, that you are the one fighting for freedom genuinely the way it's supposed to be. They're admiring what you're doing, and you are, so is a problem. Not as if you push that person away, you lead perfectly. No, you are waiting for any of our leaders in the prison to come out before again, as if they swear with their life that they must be there to give you freedom. How about you going out there to get the freedom yourself? Now the post. Let us go through the post from COS before anything. Where is that her post? Just a moment, because I need to get it right now. Look at it here. Jigawa State. Okay, this is not the one. Okay, it's not the one that it's not the first one. I'm looking for the first one that I have already shared here. I'm looking for that first one. I think I need to go back to let me go back to CSM post again. All right, let's go back. Now, here is her tweet. Now, I think after this now it should be next one. Should be next one. Okay. Here we go. Jigawa State Indigenous 6 USB support and citizenship. Okay, from the hills of Jigawa State, Nigeria, to the caves of Ogbunike and River Niger and Benue, the world and the youth of Nigerian and Biafran has risen daily, calling for the freedom and sovereignty of United States of Biafra, because they knew once this one will succeed, their freedom is guaranteed by any means necessary. Even if not for another thing, they can come to Biafra land and seek for refuge and live their life, okay, as refugee, not that they're gonna convert them to anybody. Because some do, Adam or religion, or some do, Malo religion, but that's it, for another thing. He says, the world and the youth of Nigerians the youth of Nigerians has risen daily for the freedom and sovereignty of the United States of Biafra. An independent USB is freedom and justice for all Nigerians indigenous citizens. The same similar post of PM. The USB government is tested and proven across the whole Nigerian and Biafra land. Every life will be protected and human rights maintained regardless of religion and gender or culture. I will give what Nigerians has deprived its indigenous citizens. It is a promise. This is what she said. Very, very, very open with that shiko. Compare it with what PM said here. The same thing, the same statement, the same belief. Now hear this lady again before we end.
My special greetings goes to honorable leader Emma. I am Khadija Musamachigo by name. My special greetings goes to honorable leader of NCWS and the mentor of my father in leadership. As younger generation and leaders of tomorrow, our support, greetings, gratitude will not be complete without mentioning the heroes of liberty, freedom of choice, Prime Minister Simon Ekpa and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Long live Dr. Ngozi, long live your formation. Happy Isala in advance.
That was when? 2023, not even 2024. So that is, I'm just saying because of the American people that are calling why social and I see you guys makes me sick. But that's the story for another day. Like I said, please make sure that if you don't want to think about it. God bless you. And before we go, please remember to follow our WhatsApp group. All right, we build our WhatsApp group for you to receive notification, because we will be sharing or alerting you about our live broadcast, anything as such. But please don't share link of any channel there. Make sure if you follow, you can put news like write up, screenshot, news from USB government. That one is allowed, but not bringing somebody's video and share it. That WhatsApp is not for that. Please let us follow the rules. And for those of you who don't want to, you don't care, that group is for people who love what we are doing. You are here as a family, then you can follow the WhatsApp, and I'll be giving you update there based on what we do and what is going on. God bless you. Please make sure you like the video and share it to many platforms of your choice. And take care of yourself. Bye bye for now. God bless.